Alright guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to take a look at Think Capital broker-backed prop firm. So let's not waste any time and let's dive in and take a look. Alright, so first things first, they've got a very smart looking website. They've got this chart image in the background where you've actually got the crosshair which becomes active when you scroll over it. Okay, it's very sleek, very modern looking website. They start here with fund your trading dreams and fuel your success. The only prop firm committed to building your personal wealth. Now, what they mean by that is quite simply that because they're backed fully by Think Markets, they will allow you to send your profit split directly to your Think Markets personal account, which is quite a nice add-on. Not many prop firms can offer that. We scroll down a bit. Obviously it says here powered by Think Markets. You can trade with confidence because the prop firm is backed by Think Markets, a multi-regulated broker offering unparalleled security. So you know that for the long term you've got the backing from Think Markets basically. You can also trade directly from TradingView, which for a lot of people I can see the appeal to that. Personally, I like MT5 or C-Trader, but if you do your analysis on TradingView, obviously you don't have to have a separate platform open. You can just basically take the trade right there on your TradingView platform. So you can manage up to 300k. So what that means is obviously you can buy 3 separate 100k accounts, or you can now buy a 200k account and a 100k account, or multiple 50k accounts if you like. However you want to do it, you can have that maximum allocation of 300k up to 90% profit split. Okay, so it starts at 80%. You can buy an add-on which will take it up to 90, and then payout frequency is the same. So you've got 14 days standard period. If you purchase the add-on, you can reduce that down to 7 days, which for a lot of people, you know, like me, if you're running a business, you want to pay yourself weekly, it is, you know, it's quite nice to be able to have the option just to reduce that payout cycle down to 7 days. And obviously with most prop firms, again, you can scale your capital up to $1 million. Okay, so they offer 3 different evaluation products. Okay, they've got the Lightning Challenge, the Dual Step Challenge, and the Nexus Challenge. The Lightning Challenge is pretty simple. It's a one-phase challenge with a 10% profit target. Dual Step Challenge is pretty much classic throughout the board these days. That's what most people go for. You've got an 8% profit target phase 1 and a 5% profit target on phase 2, and then the Nexus, should I say, the Nexus Challenge is 3 phase, and I think it's a 7%, a 6% and a 5%, but we'll go through that a little bit lower down on the website. So a little bit of bump here, join over 10,000 successful traders, and then pretty much, you know, the same through the board. How does it work? You choose your valuation, you take your trades, you get funded, you get paid. So it's actually 4 steps. So when we move down here, we've got the different account sizes and the different phases. Okay, so the Lightning 1 phase evaluation, okay, is $499. The Dual Step's also $499, and the Nexus Challenge is the cheapest on the board, which is $349. Now remember, if you look in the description here, I've actually got a 10% discount code which you can apply at checkout. So if you use the code GFX, you will get 10% off all of the evaluation models that we have here. Now, minimum trading days is 3. Lightning Challenge is a 10% profit target. Okay, you only got 1 profit target before you get funded. So once you achieve 10% on the account, you're in funded stage and you're ready for payout. Dual Step, you've got an 8% and a 5%, which, you know, pretty standard throughout the board. You pass phase 1 at 8%, you go on to phase 2, you start again, you got 5%, and then again you're funded and ready to start making money and get paid out. On the Nexus Challenge, you've got 3 separate profit targets. You've got phase 1, which is 7%, phase 2 is 6%, and phase 3, which is 5%. I think the idea behind this is to get people funded a little bit cheaper, and you can actually save around about £150 or $150 should I say, if you go for the Nexus 3-phase evaluation and you're not in any particular rush. Now, the drawdown limits and the daily loss limits are slightly different throughout the board. The dual step and the Nexus, they are both 4% daily loss limit and an 8% max loss limit. If you go for the 1-phase lightning, you do have a slightly lower daily loss limit and a slightly lower max loss limit. So if you think that you're capable of trading within these parameters, then maybe the lightning phase is for you. Most people go for the dual step, and if you want to increase the max loss limit, you can do so. You can actually increase it to 10% if you purchase the add-on. However, you will also increase your phase 1 profit target to 10%. So again, something to consider. Personally, I don't see there being a problem with max loss limit of 8%. You know, by the time you get down here, your account's pretty much gone anyway. So personally, I don't see there being a problem with the 8% max loss limit, because you do benefit from phase 1 profit target of 8%, which is very achievable these days. You know, maybe 3 or 4 trades will get you to that 8% profit target. And then we've got just a little bit of info on what they offer. So 1-step challenge is on offer, 3-step challenge is on offer. The drawdown type is balance based, which is, for me, that's ideal. You don't want a trailing stop loss which moves up as you move into profit. So for example, if you got an 8% max drawdown, you go 1% into profit, that max drawdown then would become 7% and so on. So it just follows you up, and for me, I'm not keen on that model. 90% profit share, up to a weekly percent payout cycle, fully backed by Think Markets brokerage. US customers are allowed, trade from TradingView. They also offer MT5 and their own in-house Think Markets platform, which is built and designed around TradingView. It's actually called Think Trader here, and you can withdraw profits to personal trading account, which I don't think anyone actually offers that. I haven't seen that before. So if you want to maybe send your, if you've got, let's say you've got 2 accounts, you're running 100k and 100k, you want one to fuel your personal account, you can send your profits straight there, and then the second account, maybe you could send your profits directly to your bank or get paid out in crypto, or however it is you want to get paid. And that's it. Right, so we're going to take a quick look at the dashboard. Okay, so everything that you're doing, I've got a 100k challenge loaded up here. I've got a dual step challenge. That's my preference. We're in progress at the minute. It's just showing me all the information that I might, well, everything that I need basically. So as my profits, my losses accumulate, you've got a nice little chart here which will move up and down and hopefully get a nice equity curve at some point. You've got the daily loss limit here, which is updated every couple of seconds. He's telling you exactly how much you've got before you breach the daily loss limit on the account, which is nice. And it's also counting down minutes and hours and seconds even till that daily loss limit will reset. It also does the same on the max overall drawdown. So if you're ever in any doubt how much have you actually got to risk per trade, or if you've taken a loss already, you know, throughout the day, you can come over to the dashboard and you can actually just have a quick glance. It's updated live, so I've never seen any issues with it. How many trades have you taken? How many trades have you won? How many trades have you lost? Average win, average loss, average hold time, net profit and loss, and then your profit factor and your win rate. Okay, so some nice nice parts of your trading to be able to analyze here, break down. Sometimes you maybe want to try and increase your win rate, so you've got everything here listed on the dashboard. How many inactive days? I think you're allowed 30 inactive days now. I've purchased this obviously 2 days ago, so I haven't even started trading it yet. But if you go 30 days without taking a trade, then you maybe want to send them an email. If you've got something that's maybe happened in your life that doesn't allow you to trade, I'm sure to be quite accommodating with that. You've got the web trader here. Okay, so we'll take a look at the account that I have loaded up. Okay, so this is the live MT5 built-in web trader, and I only trade gold, so you can place your orders live on the website. Okay, I don't use Think Trade at the minute, but I might take a look at that on my next account. You've got all your time frames at the top here. If you click on new order, you've got everything that you need on the left hand side here. You can buy or sell in the market. We'll just close that a minute. You've got some nice drawing tools that you can use. You can draw your, maybe if you use fair value gaps, you maybe want to mark that off here, and then you don't actually need to leave and go to TradingView. You can do it all within the built-in app in the website. So yeah, I think this is pretty much self-explanatory. You've got new order at the bottom. If you click that, you'll get the same pop-up box on the left-hand side, and then you just type in, let's say you want to trade one lot on gold. You can add your stop loss, okay, and it will just show you what it's moving up and down here. Can we move this up and down? Okay, so let's say we're going to go for a short, and we'd take profit would be just down here. Okay, you can enter then sell, and that will obviously give you the trade entry right here, but we're not going to do that right now. Back to the client portal, and your KYC is down the bottom. Any orders that you may have, any trading tools. You've got an economic calendar built in, top stories that you may want to pay attention to. Obviously gold is being influenced by Trump, and obviously is on a very nice downtrend actually, so there's a lot of money to be made with gold at the minute. But anything that may pop up here, top stories, you've got direct access to. And then we've got the we've got the FX cross rates heat map. Okay, so it will tell you here what's hot and what's not basically. So you may look at Euro USD, which is dropping 0.5% today, and you may want to look at that, or Euro JPY, maybe GBP Euro or GBP JPY. It's just giving you the information here. Maybe it could be a quite a useful tool. Maybe you could use that as a confluence in your trading. I certainly wouldn't use it as a standalone entry model. The analysis hub right here. Okay, so again we've got the dual step 100k in progress, and it just gives you a brief overview of what's happening within your trading account. All the parameters and everything is right here in front of you, so you can just take a quick glance. It's kind of like a trading journal, I suppose. So if you just scroll up to the top, you've actually got trading journal here, and again you've got the account metrics that you may want to pay attention to. Maybe you find that you're trading gold short and it's not as profitable as maybe you as your long trades. You've also got a monthly trading performance summary here, so you've got a profit and loss calendar, and it will show you exactly how many trades you've closed and how much profit or loss you've had, which is quite similar to a lot of the online journals that you see these days. Okay, so that is it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget that you've actually got a 10% discount code. If you use the code GFX and click the link below in the description, you can actually get 10% off all the Think Capital funded evaluation challenges. Again, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, which is this side. And yeah, happy trading.